Students, we understood in part 1 about acid, base and salt. We understood that what is the acidic nature, which object is in acidic nature, or which material we are or which item we are eating at home from the kitchen, which is acidic in nature. We also understood about what is the base, what is the salt. We understand about the how to check this kind of the material which substance you will use, and you will come to know that what exactly this acid or is base. We also understood about the lemon juice, about the salt, about the mango, including unripe mangoes. These are all acidic in nature. Is it? Why? Not acidic, but it contains salt. So that means there is something. If salt has खट्टा taste आता है, मतलब there is an acid. That means the nature of that substance is acid. So we can say that the object or the material which we are using, the खट्टा taste है तो acid और उसका nature है acidic और कड़वा सा थोड़ा सा taste लगा base है. See, that we understood in the first part. And now we want to understand, which I just talked to you in last video, that how we identify if the any substance who has the highest pH, more than that is the acidic in that environment more than that, suppose HCl has a 2%. So what we will do? That means we have to check with one solution. That is natural dye is available. That is lichen. Is it? This is the natural dye which is available in the market. Naturally it is available. And with the help of lichen, what we can do is the purple color solution. In that, if you add acid, that suppose you have the litmus paper. The litmus paper also you can made from this litmus paper. Anything substance which is add in this solution of this purple color, it turns the red. That means the presence of the acid, or suppose it turns blue, that means the presence of the base. Now in the market there are litmus paper also available. There are two types of the litmus paper available in the market. Which are those? The red litmus paper, is the red litmus paper, and the blue litmus paper. Red and blue litmus paper. There are two types of litmus paper are available in the market. With the help of this litmus paper, what you can understand? If the blue litmus paper turns the red, that means it is a acid, which we can say that the acid environment can be known with the help of the litmus paper. Is it? So this is the easiest way to identify. Now you can do activity also at your home. How you can do the activity? You can take all the materials which is over here. Suppose you have vinegar, suppose you have lemon juice, orange juice, suppose you have washing soda, and all this material you can take in different cup. Also in curd also you can take a different cup, and you can put the litmus paper, that you can identify whether this is the acid or this is the base. So here also one table is given. See, there is two types of tables you have in the textbook. It's the name of the base and name of the acid. Both the tables are given to your textbook. Is it? Now, what is the acid? We have acetic acid. The name which is suggested here or written in the textbook in this side, these are the chemical name of the substance or the acid which is present in the fruit, in the vinegar, all these curd, the substance which are here, the items of food which are here in this food, these are the acid are found. So we can say in the vinegar, that is an acidic acid. If you taste the vinegar, that will have a sour taste. That means it contains acid. The name of the acid is acetic acid. Similarly, ant sting. Now you feel that जब भी आपको चींटी काटती है, एंट्स बाइट होता है ना, जब चींटी काटती है तो आपको स्वेलिंग हो जाता है इमीडिएटली. तो स्वेलिंग क्यों होता है? Because it contains the formic acid. जो आपके ब्लड में जाके अगर आपके स्किन के ऊपर यहाँ पर बाइट किया है एंड बाइट हुआ है तो आपके अंदर वो एसिड ड्रॉप करती है। जैसे एसिड ड्रॉप करती है तो यहाँ पर आपका बॉडी रिएक्ट करता है और यहाँ वाटर फॉर्मेशन हो जाता है और बाहर एक स्वेलिंग हो जाता है और बहुत सारे खुजली आने लगती है। बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फॉर्मिंग एसिड इज प्रेजेंट इन द एंड स्टिंग, मतलब एंड्स बाइट में वो एंड जो काटती है उसमें। सिट्रिक एसिड, सिट्रिक एसिड ये सारा दिस ऑल आर सिट्रिक एसिड अवेलेबल मोस्टली इन द fruit. Which fruit? एक जो खट्टा फ्रूट खाते हैं उसमें। Now this citric acid also is useful where this orange and lemon contain citric acid. Now you can see आप fruity suppose पीते हो या कोई ऐसा कोई शेक पीते हो मैंगो का suppose मैंगो का कोई जूस पीते हो जिसमें मार्केट से अवेलेबल है और कोई ऐसी खट्टी मीठी कुछ वेफर है या कोई खट्टा मीठा कोई ऐसा टेस्टी फूड है जो पैकिंग में अवेलेबल है तो आप उस पैकिंग में चेक करना होगा। इफ यू चेक द पैकिंग ऑफ दिस फूड व्हिच इज अवेलेबल इन मार्केट यू कैन सी दिस इज द citric acid present in that. See, citric acid is not good for health. If you take on the higher side it will make you acidic इन द स्टमक और आपको एसिडिटी हो सकती है। सेकंड थिंग आपको बर्निंग भी हो सकता है पेट में और डायरिया भी हो सकता है। इट्स ओके, यू कैन नॉट टेक मोर अमाउंट ऑफ सिट्रिक एसिड। नाउ लैक्टिक एसिड, आई ऑलरेडी टॉक अबाउट द कर्ड कंटेन lactobacilli, that means lactobacilli is the bacteria, name of the bacteria is lactobacilli. So this is the lactic acid present in the curd. So I already told you if one drop of curd if you put in the milk it will convert in the again it convert in the curd. How? One drop of the curd will convert entire bowl of the milk in the curd because this contain acid and it also contain lactobacilli bacteria. So this bacteria immediately grows, continuously grows in the milk. If you put one drop of the curd in a bowl of the milk it will continuously convert this milk into curd. Okay. Now spinach, this oxalic acid, पालक में आपको लगता है अभी पालक आपको कड़वा लगता है और कड़वा भी लगता है कि कई बार कई एसिड आपको कड़वा हट भी फील करवा सकते हैं। अगर आपको कच्चा पालक जब खाएं तो आपको थोड़ा सा उसमें खट्टा सा सॉल्टेज यू विल फील। तो spinach also contains oxalic acid, so it also have a acid which found in the spinach. Then ascorbic acid, is it? See, this ascorbic acid, this amla and citrus fruit which contains vitamin C. Nowadays, suppose you might have seen, these days doctors are giving the ascorbic acid for chewing. आपको बोलते हैं डॉक्टर कि इसको चूसना है, इस टैबलेट को चूसना है। तो ये जो एस्कॉर्बिक एसिड है वो विटामिन सी के लिए यूजफुल होता है और विटामिन सी इज वेरी यूजफुल फॉर स्किन एंड योर गम्स, फॉर योर गम्स, स्किन गम्स टू कंट्रोल द ब्लीडिंग ऑफ द गम्स, इज इट? और डेफिशिएंसी ऑफ विटामिन you might have studied in this 6th standards. We already studied about the deficiency of the vitamins. 5th standard also we studied about that the ascorbic acid or deficiency of the vitamin C is known as scurvy. Is it? I know that. And tartaric acid, this is turmeric and grapes. This both are containing tartaric acid. So also turmeric, you can check also grapes also sometimes you feel the sourness. So this you have a very easiest idea. You have to remember this because this will in higher class or higher standard all the acid you have to study and all the acid will come in your experiment. So this is very easy to understand. Now we come to the base. This also we will use for the litmus paper. If you use the litmus paper, that I just already told you is convert the blue litmus paper into the red BRA. That means it converts the blue to BR. BRA. A means acid. Is it? So it converts blue litmus paper to red litmus paper. So it will known as the acid. Then what about the red litmus paper? Same. Suppose red litmus paper converts to the blue, then this is B. That is B means base. So easiest one, BRA, that is acid, blue litmus paper to red, and RBB, red litmus paper to blue, that is base. Yes, easy, got it? Now here we have name of the bases. This is calcium hydroxide in the lime water. We can find it this calcium hydroxide, these are the base. Ammonium hydroxide. So when you are using a window cleaner, see these materials which you are using at home, window cleaner, you can check it. You will check the material which is in the backside of the bottle. You can check the material which is available in the bottle. What kind of material we use? What is the concentration of this ammonium hydroxide is used for the window cleaner. Then sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide, that means soap. The soap which is you are using at your home. Then the magnesium hydroxide is the milk of magnesia. This all we understand about this material. If it is available, then also we understand about what use of these materials. See, this is already we know that window cleaner that is available in the ammonium hydroxide. So we know that the bases are also useful for us and acids are also useful for us. In your textbook, there are activities given for the materials. This is different materials, and also the table is given to you in the textbook. So you can, by examine this with the litmus paper, you can fill in the textbook that which is the acid and which is the base. So this is very easiest way we understood about acid, base and salt. So, and this acidic and basic environment is very important for us because which we have this, suppose we have ammonium hydroxide in a bowl. So if you don't know about this quality, about its nature, then you will not have the exact idea of what material you have. So in the next class we will understand about what litmus paper help in the pH level, how which we understand our pH level, which already I talked about the pH level in the previous class. This is the pH level. If the material which have a level near 2.4 to 4.5 pH, which is highest in the acidity. Okay, fine. Thank you.